Today, we're diving into the world of credit cards with a focus on the Atlas credit card offered by Axis Bank. This card is not just a piece of plastic. It's a gateway to exclusive dining experiences, travel perks, and financial flexibility. Throughout this video, we'll explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's get going. Let's take a look at the Atlas credit card's main features. Cashback rewards. The Atlas credit card offers generous cashback rewards at over 50,000 locations, helping you save on everyday expenses. 0% APR introductory period. Enjoy a lengthy introductory period with 0% APR, allowing you to make purchases and transfer balances without accruing interest. Fraud protection. Rest easy knowing your transactions are safeguarded with comprehensive fraud protection measures. Build credit. Use the Atlas credit card to build or rebuild your credit history responsibly, opening doors to future financial opportunities. Exclusive dining and travel experiences. Unlock access to exclusive dining and travel experiences tailored to cardholders, adding value beyond traditional rewards programs. Online account management. Manage your account conveniently through the intuitive online portal, giving you control over your finances anytime, anywhere. Taking a look at the pricing structure of the Atlas credit card, it offers an array of benefits without an annual fee, making it an attractive option for those seeking value. Additionally, its introductory 0% APR period provides significant savings on interest charges compared to traditional credit cards. However, it's essential to note that the late fees and penalty APRs may be applicable if payment obligations are not met on time. Experience the Atlas credit card's seamless user interface and robust features designed to simplify your financial life. From easy account management to responsive customer support, navigating your credit journey has never been more straightforward. The Atlas credit card offers high approval rates and no credit check, making it accessible to individuals with limited or poor credit history. Additionally, it provides exclusive perks and services, such as income optimization and credit building opportunities, which can be beneficial for those looking to improve their financial standing. However, customer support and service efficiency have been reported as areas for improvement, with users citing difficulties in contracting support and delaying processes. Looking for alternatives to the Atlas credit card? Consider exploring other rewards credit cards with similar cashback programs and introductory APR offers. Additionally, secured credit cards can be an option for individuals looking to build or rebuild credit without the need for an invitation. In conclusion, the Atlas credit card offers a blend of rewards, convenience, and financial flexibility. With its generous cashback program, introductory 0% APR period, and its exclusive perks, it's a compelling choice for savvy consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully and explore alternative options to find what's best for your financial needs. Don't forget to sign up for the Atlas credit card using the link in the description below, and subscribe to our channel for more easy internet tips. Thank you for watching.